I'm going to take Missy lamping. I'm going to go local. Yeah, so it's a third night local. She's come close on a couple of occasions. So we've got good wind, got good weather conditions tonight. It's windy. There's a bit of rain as well. I'm hoping it don't get too heavy. I don't want it damaging my camera. So yeah, I've got a couple of spots I'm gonna go to tonight. See if we can catch us a rabbit. Innit, miss? You ready? Good girl. What is it? Well, Miss has just caught her first rabbit tonight, and it's her first rabbit local. I'm over the moon. We've got perfect conditions tonight. It was windy. Not so windy now though. Blowing, still blowing a bit. Yeah, I'm buzzing about that catch. She just missed one. Well, she didn't miss it, she didn't even run it. She missed one earlier tonight, the first run tonight, she missed that. And then I had the perfect chance in a sheep field, had sheep fencing. There's a rabbit squatting in the rough. And I walked over to it. It jumped up, started running, slipped her, and she ran in the total opposite direction. I was gutted. I was fuming, to be honest. Could have bollocked her, but I'm not gonna. And yeah, she's made up for it in this field. You see it. So buzzing about that. She finally retrieved it to me as well. Alright, I've just caught our first rabbit. Let's put it out of an old. Yeah, they don't want to bolt, do they? How deep?
I've only got another foot to go. Might throw it comes out of that. I reckon there's more in there though. We got wrong around and move, bro. You get down. Get down, girl, get down.
Yeah, that. All them running dog lads. Look at the. There's a culprit. You've been shooting your ears.
Chuck me in.
Yeah. I want that for casserole. Good shot. Headshot, weren't it?
I think so.
Sound.